One thing that I wanted us to think about is we do have a tendency to conflate CDMOs, the term CDMOs, again, go back to your comment about acronyms, a contract development and manufacturing organization, with a more traditional contract manufacturing organization, or CMOs. So many startups and others outsource not just manufacturing, but process, analytical method, formulation development, and so on. So they don't just outsource how to make the drug. Making the drug, but they outsource how you actually make the drug and how you analyze it and release it. And so depending on the modality, this is actually not plug and play, maybe some small molecule chemistry or even formulations, and monoclonal antibody manufacturing can be a little bit plug and play, but that's not the case with a lot of the new modalities. So my take on this, how to accelerate, is to make sure that you get a process development and manufacturing expert on board at a company, especially a startup, very early, as early as possible. They can help shepherd the molecule out of discovery research and make sure that the correct molecule that has a good structure is taken into development. And they can also, from early on, assess the very complex CDMO landscape and develop the strategy on how to develop, manufacture, and deliver the drug to the clinic. As well as the clinical supply chain, which is another thing that we tend to forget. When we say CMC, chemistry, manufacturing, controls, we don't necessarily think about the clinical supply chain and how complex it can be, especially if you're phase one, your first in human trial is a global trial versus in just one geography. So one size does not fit all in CMC. CDMOs, contract development and manufacturing organizations, and CMOs have specialized expertise. They have specialized infrastructure and technologies that are focused on manufacturing specific types of drugs. So leveraging that expertise that they have to streamline the development, tech transfer, manufacturing, and release of the product can help overcome a lot of the technical challenges and speed up the transition to the clinic.